Let's learn 5 easy Beatles songs on the ukulele. The songs we're going to learn are I Wanna Hold Your Hand, Let It Be, The Yellow Submarine, In My Life, and Hey Jude. I'm using a pick to play all these songs. Let's start with I Wanna Hold Your Hand. It sounds like this. Oh yeah, I'll say that's something I think you understand. When I say that's something, I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I Wanna Hold Your Hand is in the key of G, and the chords that you're gonna need to know are G, C, D, E minor, and B7. Let's go to a G major chord, and we're gonna do this strumming pattern. That's down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. So this is actually the verse and the chorus of the song. Let's go back to G major here, and we're gonna do one pattern on G major like this. And then we're gonna switch to D major. And then E minor. And B7. Then we're gonna repeat those 4 measures. G major, D major, E minor, B7. The E minor and B7 change is fairly simple because they look almost identical. Just moving your fingers up to do the B7. On the refrain, our strumming pattern is going to change a little bit. We're going to start by playing C major, and we're going to go down, down, up. That's also quarter, eighth, eighth. And then we're going to play a D major, same thing, down, down, up. And same thing on G major. And then same thing on E minor. And then we're going to go back to C major. And then D major. And then we'll return to G major with the first strumming pattern again. So the refrain sounds like this. You don't get a lot of time to switch between chords on that refrain because of those fast eighth notes. The next song we're gonna do is Let It Be, and it sounds like this. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. The chords you're going to need to know to play Let It Be are C, F, G, and A minor. We're doing a basic quarter note strumming pattern throughout, so it's pretty simple. Nothing crazy. So let's start by going to C major. We're going to do 2 strums. And then 2 strums on G major. 2 strums on A minor. 2 strums on F major. Let's go back to C major, 2 strums, G major, F major, and then C major. So that's the verse pattern. So for the refrain or the let it be part, we're gonna play A minor, 2 strums, C major, 2 strums, F major, 2 strums, and then back to C major, 2 strums. Then we're going to play C major, 2 more strums, G major, 2 strums, F major, 2 strums, and C major, 2 strums. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Now let's play Yellow Submarine. It sounds like this. In the town where I was born lived a man who sailed to sea, and he told us of his life in the land of submarines. So we sailed unto the sun till we found a sea of green, and we lived beneath the waves of a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. This song has a lot of chord changes in it, and it's a song that I like to teach to my students for practice. The chords you're going to need to know to play this are G major, C major, D major, E minor, and A minor. The hardest part is switching between these chords quickly. This song has two sections, a verse and a chorus. Let's play the verse first, and we're only going to strum each of these chords one time. So we're going to start on G. We're going to go G and then D, okay? And then C, G, E minor, A minor, C, D, and then it basically all repeats. G, D, C, G, E minor, A minor, C, D. The refrain is simple though, so you're gonna get a little break here. We're gonna go to G major and we're gonna do 4 strums. And then we're gonna play a D major, 4 strums, and then another 4 strums, and then back to G major, 4 strums. So the refrain, you basically just do quarter notes and you play 1 measure of G, 2 measures of D, and then another measure of G. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. It's fun to sing it with an English accent. I'm a bit English myself, yes. My first ancestor was George Weeks, who immigrated from England in the 1600s. Now let's learn In My Life. It sounds like this. There are places I remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, but some remain. The chords you're going to need to know are G major, D major, E minor, C major, and C minor. To play C minor, what you're going to need to do is to play the 3rd fret 1st string, the 3rd fret 2nd string, and the 3rd fret 3rd string. I do a bar like this. Smash my pointer finger down across. This is just the first section of the song. We're going to do 2 strums on G, 2 strums on D, 2 strums on E minor, 2 strums on G, 2 strums on C, 2 strums on C minor, and 2 strums on G. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Now let's learn Hey Jude. It sounds like this. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart, then you can start to make it better. The chords you're going to need to know are F major, C major, C7, B flat major 7. Kind of looks like B7. Just slid down a little bit. Strumming pattern is pretty simple. We're just playing quarter notes. Let's start by playing an F, 4 strums. And then C. And then C7. And then F. B flat major 7. F, C, F. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. Make sure you watch this next video because it's gonna blow your mind, I swear. Good boy, everyone. Have a cheeky day.